This class brings awareness to students about the agriculture that's in the area and the agriculture that once was. It allows students to understand different jobs they can do. The greenhouse industry is really big here. You have the forestry industry. They can do different kind of aspects. It's a good program that allows students to be very hands-on, not only just on the farm, but they can learn welding, electrical, different programs, forestry. It's large variety of things they can do. The Herefords genetics is much stronger overall than the Angus.
Well, I live on a farm and my dad was teaching it, and I kind of wanted to learn some other stuff. It's really important for me to know this because, well, after my dad retires from doing it, then I'm going to start doing it on the farm and stuff like that. So it's good for me to know how to do this extra stuff, since I've been around it, but I really didn't know all the stuff about it.
The crop does what? It stores it, right?
I feel like there's a lot of opportunities you can get from it. I didn't really have much experience with agriculture, but I feel like now that I've taken the class, I feel like I have more opportunities and I can get more jobs in the future. I feel like I've just gained so much more knowledge.
Use this knowledge to maybe bring farms back and educate more people on how they work.
The biggest thing is since we are a leadership school, we kind of look at the see-do-get model. We want to have the students kind of see where they want to be in the next 4 years. And then we want to help guide them of what they need to do so they can accomplish what they've been seeing their ultimate goal. And the result when they graduate is they're getting the education, they're getting the classes, they're getting the training that they would need for them to be productive and help them overall.